Hello again everyone, how are you doing today? I bring another video for that right now. Guys, in this case we're going to touch on a topic that there are many people who mention it, and that's very good to repeat because finally they structure their activity daily in the sense of the market. We're going to start what is the issues of consolidation, expansion, and that is solved in what is in the box and breaking. The base concept of market accumulation expanded either downwards and upward, and we are clear about that based on that main trends. In this video, we're going to define a structure that clearly show me lateral or accumulation or distribution or lateral trend, generating the same accumulation. More than anything, when the price and that range and then rise in distribution is when the price makes that range and falls. It's dominating like this in general, so look for the minimum 4 to 6 candle. Since it's formed the range, we are going to start with the top candle. We are going to mark what is sailing and that floor in the region are. Let's go to the good one. If we get an entry, I will take it, but we're going to look over here where that range and exchange based on the lateral trading or accumulation. Okay, a lateral one. Put it could be here to not only to define. We see the sailing and we see the floor, and the prisoner comes here falling. He doesn't pass. He's come back and doesn't pass. He's come back again, and look at that. Of course, there's going to come a point where his breaks. They are more difficult range in the sense that they take long to break or don't have any case for that. We also see a lateralization here as well with a large main candle. Floor resistance, whereas the range is not born. Alright, it's come very close and that's back again and not past. Can be like a range. Okay. Already having cleared what this range is, I'm going to wait for the break as well as a strong candle toward the direction, be it bearish or bullish. I generally look for that trend because as is the one that gives me the control. Alright. Apart from that, I'm going to wait for the test. What I always say. That gives me the key. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. We are going to define here in our range, but it may not clear in here, but as I may see this 30 seconds. It says that breaks puts fall over here. That's happen. It's on the pass and it's good on the pass. Same case, look at the range. Until I decide to break to the upside. It says strong breakout, then retracement, and then this I entered the continuation. Even testing because I see the price falls here, it doesn't happen, and come back and doesn't happen again, and then continue with that. I'm going to look for an input and I'm going to use Bollinger as a support. When I have the input, I will take and explain it. I will just take an input to apply the concept. Okay. So here scene is like possible entry. Look at that, guys. That's a pretty one. Well, look at the range that's shown here. I'm going to wait for expansion in the direction that I indicate that if the candle is up strongly, I would enter the upside. The good thing is that is the indicator that is support, the movement would be up, right? Look at this candle, the third one. Okay, that's very clear. I would be enter large range, but seeing that the price is in the side range, let's go to the ME1. Yeah, observe, look, it doesn't happen. And that is again revert right here. That's at the same point when that give myself a strong range in the trade condition. That is upward, and that's why I entered that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen with that, what it turns out. And look at this, $153. Look at it when borrow position, almost lost in the end. This was so close, man. Oh my gosh. But that's an interesting thing about testing. When notice the price move very fast because it's already late on the entries, and the range almost past the same, guys. And well, more than all that was an explanation, right? I didn't find a range here. I entered on its continuation. I'll be something else. Maybe see 15 seconds, 30 seconds. I throw me, don't know it is long time the bit. Well, if you just like this video, guys, just hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and have a good one. Bye bye. See you.